Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TurboTax app and upload documents step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. For iOS, go to the App Store. For Android, navigate to Google Play Store. In the search bar, type TurboTax. Locate the TurboTax app in the search results. Tap on the app's icon to open its page. Press the Install or Get button. Wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, open the TurboTax app. Sign in to your account or create a new one. To upload documents, go to the dashboard. Select the tax preparation option you need. Look for the Documents section or a similar prompt. Tap on Upload Documents. Choose the type of document you want to upload. Follow the prompts to select the document from your device. If necessary, take a photo of the document using your camera. Ensure the document is clear and legible before submission. Press the Upload button to submit the document. Wait for confirmation that your document has been uploaded. Check for any additional prompts or next steps from TurboTax. You have successfully downloaded the TurboTax app and uploaded your documents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.